have worked with him for 20 years, right from the time I came here, and then to lose him as we walked along the path of making films, and to be part of his last shot of his last film, it's very emotional for me. Come and stand with me. Come. Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be both awarded Mr. Yash Chopra Memorial Award?
Extremely undeserving, but it's. I'm just happy that somebody somewhere, Reddy Saab, Rekha ji, Kaima aunty, and the whole team, the Ranjans, they think I'm good enough to be a part of this amazingly august team of people who won before me.
Ma'am will be presenting the award to you. How does it feel to be?
Ma'am always presents me the award. So it's a thing between us. Whenever I get the best award in my life, I take it from her.
Would you like to say something?
Can I say something?
Shahrukh, how special is it considering you had such an amazing association with Yash ji?
I think the reason for this is the genuinely a very gracious, wonderful and fantastic feel that the whole family has given me over the years. So that must be the only reason. It can't be my talent. So it feels very special to be here for Yash Chopra ji's National Memorial Award, and I thank all of them, Subir Reddy, Rajan Saab, and everybody who was involved in this.
Shahrukh, you've worked with him in a number of movies, and you both have come up given us a lot of romantic, memorable movies. What is the one thing that you admire in him?
I think he was just very basic and very simple. I think he never allowed the craft to take over his art, and he made films from the heart, and he treated, he's a very simple man. And even now when I'm working with other directors, we speak about an hour about the film that I'm doing with them, an hour about, you want me to take that? Yeah, I can, it's your boyfriend? No, I'm getting very angry. So but I talk about Yash more with my directors than the film that I'm doing with them. So it just is, it's been an amazing relationship, to be honest. Yeah.
Shahrukh, is there something you feel directors can learn from? I mean, of course, there's a lot of things, but something which you think is missing in today's directors which Yash ji had when you work with contemporary films?
Wrong for me to say that, whoever is making films, I think they all make it with a good heart. And if they want to learn something from someone, they should go ahead and learn it. But I can't be the one suggesting that, to be honest.
Shahrukh, the CBFC has recently raised objection for a movie, Lipstick Under My Boot.
And you can ask me about the politics in UP also after this, right? I'm surely going to comment on this, yeah. I have no idea. I'm on holiday for the last 2 days.
We heard that you've turned down a script of Mr. Bhansali, which was supposed to star you and Kangana.
Yeah, you should tell me who told you that.
We just read it online.
Then don't believe what you read online.
Okay, when do we see you next teaming up with Yash Raj?
I have no idea. There's no discussion on a film right now. Actually, it's very personal for me. I don't think I'll be able to express it, how emotional this is. It's a very personal moment for me to, have worked with him for 20 years, right from the time I came here, and then to lose him as we walked along the path of making films, and to be part of his last shot of his last film, it's very emotional for me. I don't think Yash ji can be compared with anyone to say that set him apart or not. I'm too young, I'm too small to comment on what set him apart. I think he was just unique in his own way, and like I said, wonderfully honest, earnest, straightforward, and very basic, very simple. I think the simplicity makes him extremely special.
But any movie which is very close to your heart, any movie of his which is very close.
All of them. I mean,
any one if you can pick up. I'm sure it would be difficult, but
there's so many. I'm making one now, Ittifaq. I like that film of his. Waqt, very beautiful. And amongst my own, I think Jab Tak Hai Jaan, because that was the last film we did together.
जिस तरह यशराज जी पिक्चरें बनाते थे कॉमेडी ड्रामा उनकी मूवी को उनकी उनके ही नक्शे कदम पे आजकल करण जोहर चल रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं लगता? मतलब उनकी मूवी की कमियां पूरी कर रहे हैं, जैसे करण जी पिक्चरें बनाते हैं आजकल उनकी तरह, मतलब ऐसा लगता है आपको?
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक यश चोपड़ा जी की तरफ कोई फिल्म बनी। थैंक यू।
आपकी और सोनम की बिग डे का फ्लाइट की तो काफ़ी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग रही, तो क्या आप और सोनम फ्यूचर में काम करोगे साथ में?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मे बी
अब मैं जिस हीरोइन के साथ फ्लाइट में जाऊंगा उसके साथ काम कर लूंगा मैं।
इत्तेफाक में भी काम कर सकती है।
इत्तेफाक में सोनाक्षी सिन्हा है और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा है और अक्षय खन्ना है। बट आप कहोगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लेन में मिलूंगा तो 100% कर दूंगा।
Did you wish to star in it? I mean, did it occur to you any time that you would like?
I wanted to do the film. I wanted to do the film when I heard the script, but dates, other films, no, I can't. But the team right now who's doing it is very good also.
Thank you.
थोड़ा भी सब वेट कर रहे हैं।